actually the response we have is, I would say, very, very good. First of all, we have a high quality type of responses. Having received potential customers today with very serious and projects with a high level of technology. Well, basically we can see in India today there is an increased demand and interest for let's say turnkey operations, global solutions, especially from the medical industry, from the jewelry industry, and I mean our company is highly specialized. I mean by developing and supplying that kind of in the technological package. So the Indian market is growing very fast and is mature now enough to go on very advanced solutions.